Very nice. That was splendid. Next is 4/4 time. Hold the left stick to change the rhythm. Then match the rhythm. Until the C stick up, right, and left. And then down. Oh, okay. Damn it. Damn. Up, right, left. I know how to do it. I should actually do it. Okay. What? I did the wrong. I'm gonna lose my. Stop it. This is infuriating. This is actually annoying. I know how to do it. It's. God, I need you to believe me. I can't hear the game. You guys know this. There we go. That's it, Crimson. That was not bad for your first time using the Wind Waker. Not bad at all. You can also conduct it in 6/4 time. And by tilting right, you will do well to remember that. Jesus Christ, that took way too long.